So what we're looking at right here is our new DME computer that just came in the mail. As you can see, it's nicely sealed from our buddy from Canada. And we're gonna open that up, pop it in, and hopefully it's all good. Let's see. All right, so for those that have been following this, you guys already know that my car has been stalling on me. It's kind of been intermittent. It starts when it wants to, and then it doesn't when it doesn't want to. So hopefully today will be the last day of that, because we just got our slightly used DME unwrapped and unraveled. And let's hook her up. All right guys, so here we are again, hopefully with better luck this time. We're gonna see if that DME computer did anything. So let's find out. So far so good, I think. A little bit of a stumble. Yeah, I had to turn it off for a little bit, guys. There's a lot of fuel, I guess, coming out of the back of the exhaust. Maybe from turning her over a lot. Maybe there's just a lot of fuel in there that has to be spit out. But nonetheless, still good news because we got her started. I think what we're gonna do now is button her up down here, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Alright, let's see if she wants to be an angel or a little demon. Let's find out. So far she sounds pretty good. Alright. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall over. And we're off. Cruising around the neighborhood right now. So I don't want to jinx it or anything, but I mean, we're looking pretty good. Let's see how long that lasts. Alright, here we go. That pretty well. And the boost gauge is working. So everything right now is checked off. I'm very happy, very, very happy. And so there you have it, guys. We officially solved the no start slash stalling while accelerating issue turned out to be the DME computer. Maybe it was on its very last leg and it was giving me some weird issues. And come to think of it, I did take apart the DME computer. So maybe opening it up and separating the boards didn't help at all. But yeah, big shout out to my boy Freddie in Canada. I really appreciate the help, man. So with that said, next project is probably going to be the cracked dash that we have here. Maybe the broken clock that has never worked, or maybe the hood shocks that just gave out on me while I was filming all this. So yeah, who knows? Thank you guys, and tune into the next one.